Anywhere me go, anywhere me go, yeah. Anywhere me go. See that chain around me neck, you a 0 degrees, brother. Girl, all I tell me say me cooler than the breeze, brother. Can't keep one girl after she no secret. Love all girl, but props if she freaky.
Some G's right about now. When you don't know, say it's another day, so it's another vlog, it's another video. Today we not sure we are doing it like, yo, me feel like me start all of my vlog them, I said this, but we literally don't know what we are going to do at daytime until we either plan something or something further. But we don't normally plan out the day. If you don't get to me, I say. Today, I don't know what I go on for today, but I just want to say your blessings and respect to you because I so know who not like, I want to comment, leave a comment, and I appreciate it. I can't tell you how much I really and truly appreciate it. Big up on yourself, big up my G's them. Without you know, I don't write us a video right now, I don't do none of this. I probably would have now. I don't know more than probably I do, but you don't get me I say.
Yo, I can't believe you really say me catfish, you know. I know catfish. It's the writer, so I can't remember it, you know. How I can't remember it? I'm read it, like, go ahead and comment, you know. You know when something the writer, so but you can't, what you call it, you don't say catfish, you say me, clickbait. Whew. That take me a while, only say me clickbait. Now ask me why me dey on the ground, but me dey on the ground. When I play a voice note where somebody just send me like what? Get me vitamins, son. And me here run water.
Famous of Craig go on with famous kind of style that. You make me all run go plug in all my phone think a dead, my phone a dead cause I want to hear about Chabas and Candy. What kind of style that, brother? At TV me I watch it.
So ladies and gentlemen, right now we're there, we are about to go supermarket real quick, you know what I mean? Them know there's something wrong with you. I believe yes that's enough. Ricky and I fix right now, we are about to go supermarket.
This is how we always shop. You see through all we are friend. When Ricky have shopping for do, we
go shopping for do.
And what we need at those, we go buy. So today, we not on the list, we just have
we don't go to supermarket in the list down.
We just have pick up what we want today.
What we want today, we are buy today. Tomorrow we go buy what we want tomorrow.
Tomorrow provide for itself.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ricky Dan is in the building!
No! Oh, I look there. Which one?
You want to say you want to look for Chavez camera over this one. And Chavez is here, you already know he's vlogging.
Today I do it for vlog and thing, Ricky and I building. And today is our grocery shopping day, Booba in the back.
People are getting crazy and crazy. Yeah. Supermarket. Shabata look on shrimp. Like always.
Today we make a bad curry shrimp.
Yeah,
Delicious also.
It smells good.
Yeah, me not feel vlog.
What you doing?
Go vlog girl who are gone with here. And this is the vlog team. We inside the supermarket and we are shopping. We eat shrimp. So me I go through the shrimp aisle. I look some shrimp to eat. I think I'm going to try the pink one. I know it's safe, but I never tried them one before. That's a cook. What do I do with this? Let me clean the shrimp. This have tail and everything.
Then uneven shrimp though, shrimp?
Lobster.
Yeah.
Baby lobster.
Red shrimp. Red shrimp. What we are looking for right now?
Chicken. Water.
No, your party. The chicken no me that talk about. Hold on there.
Tripe. You have any tripe?
Tripe. You never eat tripe and bean. You cold for real? For real?
Yo. What me up now? Yo.
Oh, you just selling cold? He hold you?
He want me famous, he want me.
We not forgot Jamaica again now. We have everything on for it.
Nice piece of breast, you know. Botox. Yo, me like some on them. Oh, then the way up, sir. What's your boy Ricky? How am I look on? Way man you up there do you? Top of star vlog. Meat you look on? No meat you look on? Get your friend down there so look for meat. Hmm? Which one?
The pasta thing.
Pasta? Pasta?
Pasta?
Mm.
What kind of pasta?
In pasta. Shrimp you really good though? Yeah man. And them boss a party. So much them are going with?
These were the bus party and they sell it for $100.
No. Them that way them boss a baby shower. Why man over there so do you look like him and him buy one box of fish? Chava start vlog. What that the man ain't go buy man? Yeah, them a laugh off for me man so really. We just have to be a you know.
Yo, look at this.
Why not that?
They give it to me free and all.
What you mean give it to you free?
Look on it. Look how much in there.
You know, I'm see big paid sign.
Me and Ricky Wait, let me come off I can.
Jesus Christ, let me turn off for me too.
So ladies and gentlemen, yo, be something like that on here. Right now, what me I gotta do is my boy cut off them something yeah. Finish clean them up, cut off them gill and all of them little something yeah. Today we are gonna do jerk swimmers, so I go clean them up, slice, and dash them in the oven. You get what I'm saying?
Famous, you know. Sick. Anywhere me go, anywhere me go, anywhere me go. See that chain around me neck, yo, a 0 degrees, brother. Girl, all I tell me say me cooler than the breeze, brother. Can't keep one girl after she no secret. Love all girl, but props if she freaky. Me no easy, yes, please believe it. Give thanks, a girl want to please me. Hard for all girl, way easy. Back it up, your heart fat, me squeeze it. Y'all a study, say she love me totally. Say me large, say me travel globally. For the dogs, me are the bro got it. Don't run, so no boy can program me.
We have a pot right now with potato boil. I'm gonna make some mashed potato. Understand? This right here, I'm gonna paint on this to the swimmers them when them done their oven. This is a special sauce. This is a secret ingredients. Tradition, you know. This a passed down now from 1 day ago. Come and make it yesterday. So right now, see my food yeah. You know me not consume nothing because I go back from my little diet. I'm not supposed to eat potato, but me mash this. I go consume this. I want to see it is. I need to move and right, so I'm going to get a fuck real quick. You know what I think? The swimmers, I know the swimmers are spicy. It's aggo spicy. It's getting spicy in here. I think I'm gonna name the vlog the vlog, yeah. I think I name it that. It's getting spicy in here. Look there. You can see steam.
We shouldn't could have tasted it. Go there. I think I gotta do more for the day, but rain a fall. So I just edit this and go on vlog. But I just edit this and put it up. Blessings and respect for fathers and support yet a next vlog. Always leave a like. Always leave a comment. Big up my G's them. Until next time.
Well, on then, before the click off, remember the merch in at the bio right now for purchase any Big Up G's merch, any color. We have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have full case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it came up.